Hello, in this Python programming tutorial we are going to cover the select operation. So as the name suggests, it allows us to select stuff. Basically allows us to select rows. So at the moment we got these two rows, one with the name of Farhan, one with the name of Hussein, and all the other information is the same. So select allows you to select, well, one row, multiple rows. You basically provide some parameters. The bare basics is where you're selecting it from, the table name, and then you can provide some extra stuff as well, like a certain condition using the where key command and other conditions as well. Maybe you can order it, maybe you can limit how many results you want, all of that good stuff. I'm just going to do a simple select query because again this isn't about teaching MySQL, because there's plenty of resources online about that. It's just about covering how to use the MySQL select query within Python. If you have any questions about this or anything a bit more advanced, feel free to reach out and I will assist you. So we want to select both of these. As you can see, that's the latest version. And if we go to our code file, it's actually pretty simple. Just need to do an SQL query as we have done before. Put select. And now you just put what you want to select. So you could put, stuff like the actual rows. But if we put asterisk, it selects everything. So we're just going to select everything, select table. And here is where you put something like a where command to put some sort of condition. But again, we're just keeping it simple. And I'm going to enclose within a try block again, just so if there's any problems, they can be handled accordingly. So in here, we would just put print unable to fetch data, unable to get data. Because what you got to think is we're not actually doing anything to the database, so we don't need to roll anything back. The rollback is only if we're updating or inserting something and then something that's gone wrong. So in here, we just need to do the cursor.execute. So this is nothing new. Cursor.execute SQL, so it just gets this query from here. Now we need to get all the results. So we'll put it within a variable called result. And to get the results, it's simple. Cursor.fetch all. And what we'll do is loop over every row that we've got, whether that's one row or 100 rows. It'll be 2 in our case. For row in results. So for every row, it will get put into row and we'll be able to access each basically column of information. So I'm going to create a variable called name, and that's going to be row 0 because as you can see, the first row is name, location, gender, age. So remember, in computers, most things start at 0. And now we're going to do location equals row 1. We're going to do gender equals row 2. And finally, we're going to do age. Again, you don't need to get all of these. You might only get like 3 of them in this particular point, and we get some more later, or you might only get 1. But I'm just showing you how to get all of them. Now, what we're going to do is just do a simple print. So print, and we are going to do name colon %f comma location colon %f comma gender %f and finally age %f. And now what we need to do is actually specify the variables that we want to put here, 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 and here. So we just want name, location, gender, and age. Okay, that's pretty cool now. So if we save that, we should be all good to go. So now let's run this and see what we get. No errors. It says unable to get data. So let's have a look. What's gone wrong? So SQL equals select everything from test table. So that doesn't seem like a problem to me. So we've done cursor.execute SQL. Okay, so unable to get data. So really, it should not be anything to do with this. So let's just try running it again. Okay. So there was something in here that I did not like. And let's just eliminate that it wasn't the results line. So it wasn't that line. So something within here it does not like. So what could it be? This needs to be enclosed in brackets. So if I run that again, there we go. Okay, that's just a simple syntax error on my part. And as you can see, we've selected all of the rows, or just 2 of the rows, because there's only 2 rows. So that's it for the select query. Like I said, this is not a tutorial on, all the facets of MySQL, but just how to implement the MySQL select query within Python. If you want to know more about it, there's loads of resources on the MySQL website, on W3 Schools, and again, just feel free to reach out and I'll help you along your development journey. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon.